Greetings, fellow humans. So today I'm going to show you how to install QuickJourney, which is a quick and dirty Discord bot using AUTOMATIC1111 as a backend. So this thing's written using the Newbound framework, so we're going to install that from GitHub first. We'll just clone that into a local directory, and you'll need to have Rust installed. So if you don't have Rust installed, install that first. But then you'll be able to switch into the directory and just run the little startup script here, newbound.sh, and it will actually compile and run the application for you. If you're running on Linux, it will actually open it up in your web browser for you. If not, you'll have to type in the URL manually. But once you do, click over to the development tab and then click on the little GitHub icon there, and we'll go into the installed, add a new repository. There's a little shortcut button here for us for the Discord library. When we click import, it starts compiling it. Now it's actually installing a bunch of crates that are dependencies in the background, but hopefully, if all goes well, it will automatically load that up and install that into our Newbound framework. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the GitHub tab and install the QuickJourney library from GitHub as well. So same routine here. We'll click the import button and wait, what? It looks like we've got some type of OpenSSL. Okay, so one of our crates has some dependencies that's expecting a normal operating system, but I'm running next. So fortunately, Newbound comes with a shell. We'll nix shell into that and restart, and it should recompile everything, hopefully successfully, knock on wood. And once it does, it should open up a new tab in our browser. Okay, now that the software is successfully installed, let's go ahead and activate the Discord app and the QuickJourney app as well. We'll just click on each of the icons and click the activate button in turn. And that's pretty much all the setup we need to do. Now let's go in and configure our actual bot. So we'll call this bot QuickJourney, and we will point it at the QuickJourney library, and inside of there there's a control called QuickJourney. And so now we'll need a token. So hopefully you've already set up a bot in the Discord developer portal. You create a token, and basically you just copy that token and paste it into the Discord app user interface. So at this point, we've got all of the software installed and properly configured, and I think we're pretty much ready to, well, we got to restart the server, and it will take a while to recompile everything, and then we're going to configure the Discord side. So I want to take this opportunity to point out that in addition to Rust, you will also need to have the Git software installed on your local machine. Now let's go back over to the Discord portal here, and we're going to click on the URL generator, and we will create a URL to add our bot to a server. So we'll paste that URL into the bar here, and we'll add it to my server and click authorize, and we should be good to go. I think I passed. Well, now let's open up our server and try this bad boy out. Alright. First thing we're going to need to do is fire up the automatic 1111. So I've got a little script here. Web start starts it up. Let's move to a split screen view here, and while automatic 1111 is starting up, I can test out. We are connected. I got a little green light there. Here's our settings. Those look sane. Alright, our automatic 1111 web service has started up. Let's render something up, shall we? So when we type in our prompt here in Discord, the bot that's running in the Quick Journey app gets the message by way of the Discord app that's running in the Newbound framework, and it sends a request over to automatic 1111. We've got the high res fix here, and it spits out a 1024 by 1024 image. Okay, so let's take a quick look here behind the scenes, and we'll go ahead and pull up the Quick Journey. Let's go ahead and edit that and take a look at what powers it. So it doesn't have really any sort of user interface. It just kicks up a logo there. But what it does have is our API. So these are all of the commands that you can execute from Discord. For example, the help command pretty much just prints out this text, right? And I hope what you're starting to see here is that this is not a lot of code, and it's not very complicated code. So if you're familiar with Rust, you'll be able to jump in here and hack away to your heart's content. This is a really good template. If what you want to build is some type of generative art Discord bot, pretty much all of the basic plumbing is in here for you. So one thing I did want to touch on real quick is if your Stable Diffusion is not local, what you'll want to do is specify a URL for that. And what you can actually do is the Newbound framework basically has an organized system for parameters and configuration and whatnot. And so any app in the Newbound framework is going to have a runtime folder, and in the runtime folder, right? So for example, for our Quick Journey app, we've got a bot.d.preferences, and this is going to be our runtime preferences. The app.properties, bot.d.properties. Hello, I can talk. So the app properties come with the app from the author. Full disclosure, the author is me. I wrote the Newbound framework, the Discord app, and the Quick Journey app. So if you hate it, feel free to let me know. I'd love to hear how much you despise my code. But in any case, if your automatic 1111 is not on localhost, you can just let it know where it is. And so the way you do that is you provide the base URL property. So this is a properties file in a standard properties file format. And so all you got to do is provide that base URL property, and then restart your Newbound service, and voila, your quick journey bot will be pointed at the new URL. So in any case, taking a look at the render command here real quick, literally all it's doing is building up an HTTP request that it sends over to AUTOMATIC1111, and then it builds an embed which it sends over to Discord. So again, feel free to hack away to your heart's content, build something cool, and let me know about it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.